Dr. Alejandro, we talk again. It's been a little while. How are you, sir?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing, Rich? We've been busy here, and I heard you just got back from the States.
Yeah, so when I was in the States, people are super concerned about COVID. It was right about the Thanksgiving break timeframe, and people are really concerned about Thanksgiving break and also the Christmas break and families hanging out and people getting together.
Yeah, we've been following the news. Several European countries are also starting to shut down. Christmas and the holidays are bound to be an increase in cases. So there's an initiative we talked a few months ago that it's finally come to fruition. The purpose of this is to hopefully make Nosara as safe as possible for the people visiting and the people here. The initiative is mass testing with PCR testing and antibodies, along with the NCA, Laboratorios Echandi, and three really generous donors. We've been able to move forward with this. First of all, it's for everybody. We're not going to be doing kids, but it's for everyone in the community. Foreigners, locals, insurance, no insurance. It's a free mass testing that it's going to be done in the area near the Redondel or the bullfighting ring on December 11th and 12th. And there's just a few requirements.
Okay.
There's a form that needs to be filled out. You can send an email to nosaracovidsafe@gmail.com. And we can definitely put on the reply with the form that people need to fill out. It's going to be a first come, first serve basis. I know there's a lot of people interested in doing the antibodies, but it's going to be no more than 2 people from each social bubble. And we're looking to do as much testing as possible. And so people are going to be safe. We're going to help Ministerio de Salud or the health ministry just be aware of any possible active cases that haven't been tested or haven't been managed. And, I think it's a really good initiative. I haven't seen this done anywhere in the country. So we're pretty excited about that to see how it goes and see if more people are interested in helping out. Maybe we can do this every month or every 2 months. And that way we're going to help to find asymptomatic cases or symptomatic cases and people that just don't want to get tested or are a little freaked out about getting tested. So let's see how this goes. And thanks for the platform to let people know about this.
I was about to ask you, Alejandro, is this something that's going to be ongoing, and maybe someone who's scared to get tested or they just don't want to? Is this something that's going to happen next month and the month after? Or can you fill us in on that a little bit?
We're going to give it a try for the first time on the 11th and the 12th to see the response of the people and if more people are interested in donating towards this cause, because this is a donation from generous people that want to see Nosara being safe. We're donating part of our time. Laboratorio Chandi is definitely giving us a great price and great support with epidemiological knowledge and logistics, and they're going to be here also doing the samples. So it's up to the community and how it goes. Hopefully it's a good exercise also for the health ministry and the local medical authorities to see if they're willing to keep this going, if it's worth it, and how people respond. Because if we have nobody show up, then it's going to be useless.
So Alejandro, if I'm understanding you properly, what you're saying is, number one, you need people to show up to the event for the testing. And then number two, if it goes well, you just need people to continue to support it.
Is there anything you want to say to anyone who's scared to get tested?
I don't think it's as bad as it's been shown or as people think. There is a blood test that requires a needle, and I know a lot of people are scared of that. The pharynx test, I don't think it's that bad. Feels like water coming up your nose. So there's a taboo and a lot of mysteriousness around it or scary feelings about it. But hopefully people see past that, and there's a bunch of people in the community that have been tested already. Talk to them and just ask him about the experience. And it's not the same for everybody, but I think it's pretty manageable.
Hey, thank you, Dr. Alejandro. Thank you, NCA. Thank you, the donors and everyone who's helping making this happen. If you're young and you're healthy, this isn't really about you. It's about the people that you might touch.
Can we bounce over to Spanish just real quick?
Estaremos realizando un testeo masivo para la zona de Nosara para COVID-19. Se va a estar haciendo la prueba de la nariz o la PCR y la prueba de sangre de los antígenos. Se va a realizar el 11 y el 12 de diciembre en la zona del Redondel. Para poder participar, que no tiene ningún costo, hay que enviar un correo a nosaracovidsafe@gmail.com para llenar un formulario y así poder tenerlo dentro de la base de datos y enviarle la información correspondiente. So I think that's about it, Rich. Thanks a lot for the opportunity and the support, man. And I'll see you soon.